Upgrade your soldering experience with the FNIRSI HS02 Smart Soldering Iron, a professional yet portable solution designed for electronics repair, PCB soldering and DIY projects with its rapid heating technology and adjustable temperature range from 100 degrees C to 450 degrees C. It ensures precise control and reliable performance for both beginners and experts. Featuring an automatic sleep mode, the HS02 conserves energy and extends tip life when not in use, providing safety and efficiency during long working sessions. Compact and lightweight, it comes in a convenient portable toolbox kit, making it easy to carry and perfect for on-the-go repairs. Whether you're working on circuit boards, small electronic components, or detailed repair tasks, the FNIRSI HS02 delivers consistent heat, fast recovery time, and smart functionality, all in one sleek and durable design. Adjustable temperature 100 degrees, 450 degrees, rapid heating for efficient workflow, automatic sleep mode for safety energy saving, ideal for PCB soldering, electronics repair, and DIY projects. Portable toolbox kit for easy storage transport. Take your soldering projects to the next level. Discover the ultimate all-in-one tool for electronics testing with the FNIRSI 2C23T+. This powerful device combines a dual-channel digital oscilloscope, a high-precision multimeter, and a dual-channel signal generator into one compact and versatile unit, perfect for engineers, technicians, and electronics enthusiasts. With a bandwidth of 10 MHz x2 and a sampling rate of 50 ms, the oscilloscope provides clear and accurate waveform measurements. The built-in true RMS multimeter supports up to 1000 V and 10A, ensuring safe and precise measurements for a wide range of applications. The signal generator allows you to test and simulate waveforms easily, making it an essential tool for troubleshooting and circuit analysis. The FNIRSI DMC100 is a reliable and versatile digital clamp meter, designed for professional electricians, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts. With 1000 counts high-resolution display and a 600A AC/DC current range, this tool ensures precise measurements for a wide variety of electrical applications. Equipped with non-contact voltage detection, NCV. The FNIRSI LCR-ST1 is a compact and intelligent testing tool, designed for quick and precise measurement of resistance, capacitance, inductance, ESR, continuity, and diodes. With its tweezer-style design, it is perfect for testing SMD components, directly on the board or individually, offering unmatched convenience and accuracy. Equipped with auto-identification technology, the LCR-ST1 automatically detects the component type and displays accurate results instantly on its clear digital display. This makes it an ideal choice for technicians, engineers, hobbyists, and students who need a portable, reliable, and easy-to-use tester. The FNIRSI DWS200 is a powerful and versatile soldering station designed for precision, durability, and professional performance. Compatible with original soldering iron tips and 210-245 handles, this station provides excellent heat transfer and precise temperature control, making it ideal for electronics repair, PCB assembly, and rework applications. With intelligent temperature regulation, the DWS200 ensures fast heating, stable performance, and consistent soldering results. Its ergonomic design and user-friendly interface allow for effortless operation, while the durable build makes it suitable for both workshops and professional environments. Perfect for hobbyists, engineers, and technicians, the DWS200 soldering station is the reliable tool you need for high-quality soldering work. Compatible with 210-245 soldering handles and original tips. Precise temperature control for stable soldering. Rapid heating for efficient workflow. Ideal for electronics repair, PCB soldering rework. Professional-grade build for long-term durability. The FNIRSI DWS200 soldering station combines power, precision, and compatibility, delivering a smooth and reliable soldering experience every time. The FNIRSI SAG-55 is a professional-grade digital hot air gun designed for precision heating, rework, and electronic repair tasks. With its 550W high-power output and LCD display, it delivers stable, adjustable airflow and temperature control, making it ideal for BGA rework, circuit board soldering, heat shrink tubing, and component removal. Equipped with a durable stand, the SAG-55 provides hands-free operation, ensuring safety and convenience during long repair sessions. Its digital control system allows you to fine-tune temperature and airflow with accuracy, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort and efficiency. Compact yet powerful, the FNIRSI SAG-55 is the perfect hot air rework tool for technicians, engineers,